In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to deploy the Mikrotik Cloud Hosted Router on Oracle VirtualBox version 7. So the Cloud Hosted Router is a popular routing solution that is actually deployed in cloud environments as well as on-premise environments for routing and networking functionality. But before we begin, let's take a look at an overview of the steps covered in this guide. So first, I'm going to show you how to download the OVA file for the Cloud Hosted Router. Then I'll actually show you how to open up VirtualBox and import the OVA file. I'll proceed to show you how to configure the network settings. Then I'll proceed to start the virtual machine and set an admin password. And finally, I'll open up Winbox and test if I can actually log into the router using the credentials that I've actually set. So I'm going to proceed to open up my browser and I'm going to run a Google search for Mikrotik. So once that is done, I'll actually proceed to click on the first search result, which should actually open up the homepage for the mikrotik.com website. I'll proceed to click on software. Then I'll proceed to scroll down and expand the Cloud Hosted Router section. I'll click on the save icon on the OVA template for version 7.19.1, which is actually the stable version at the time of recording of this video. So as you can see, the download is now in progress. But I'm actually going to cancel the download as I've already actually done it at an earlier time. So I'm going to proceed to open up VirtualBox. Then I'll go to File and then click on the Import Appliance option. I'll click on the Browse icon. Then I'll select the Mikrotik OVA file that I actually downloaded earlier and then click on the Open option. I'll expand settings, then double click on the name field. So I'll proceed to actually set the name for this virtual machine to Mikrotik Cloud Hosted Router VM. And once that is done, I can then click on the finish pattern, which actually allow me to complete the importation process. So as you can see, we now have the Cloud Hosted Router virtual machine. I'll proceed to click on settings, then I'll click network. So as you can see, I already have adapter 1 configured, and it's a bridged adapter to the wireless interface. I'll click on adapter 2, enable it, and then select bridged adapter as the attached to option. Then I'll actually select the Realtek network interface card, which is the alternative physical NIC that I have on my laptop. I'll proceed to click on the Start button to actually start up the virtual machine. And as you can see, the startup process should take about a minute or so. And in your case, it may depend on the performance of your actual device. So once the Cloud Hosted Router virtual machine powers on, the first thing that you'll need to do is to actually log in. So I'm going to proceed to use the default admin username, and the password is actually blank. So once that is done, we should see a notice prompting us to accept the license terms. So I'm just going to click on no, and then I'm going to proceed to set a password for the admin user. So I'm just going to repeat the password. And as you can see, I've actually successfully set the password and logged into the router command line interface. But I'm actually going to try to log into the router using Winbox. So I'm just going to select the router on the Neighbors tab, then specify the password that I entered when I initially connected to the router. And as you can see, I've successfully logged into the router using the Winbox utility. And if you go to System, then click on Resources, you can actually see the current resources that are available to the router. You can actually see the uptime, you can see the free memory, and a whole lot of other helpful details. So that's been it. That's a quick look at how you can deploy the Mikrotik Cloud Hosted Router on Oracle VirtualBox version 7. Please consider to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please also share this video with your peers, colleagues, and friends. I hope this tutorial has been informative, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.